Now there's news just coming in. The AIADMK succession row is in the Madras High Court. The High Court has sent a notice to AIADMK after ousted MP. In fact, the MP who was expelled from the party, Shashikala Pushpa, moved the court against the appointment of Shashikala Natarajan as Jaya's successor. We've got Akshaya still live with us. On what grounds has Shashikala Pushpa questioned Shashikala Natarajan's appointment as the General Secretary, Akshaya?
Padmaja, right from the beginning, Shashikala Pushpa has been raising doubts about what has been happening inside the Apollo Hospital. During the former Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha's stay at Apollo Hospital, she had been accusing all the AIADMK senior party workers, including Shashikala, of foul play. And once Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha's death was announced, she was one of the first to raise questions and also ask for the health report, a proper health report, to be brought to the public display. And now she's raised another question as to how can a person who's not been a part of the party be made the General Secretary of the AIADMK. It is well known fact that Shashikala was pushed out of the party by Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha herself. She was even snatched out of the normal membership of the party as well. So now the question that Shashikala has raised is, you need a minimum 5 years membership to become the General Secretary of the party. So without any of that, how is Shashikala being appointed is one big question that Shashikala Pushpa has raised. Second question is about the mystery behind Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha's death that she finds. She's like, oh, how come a person who has no relation with Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha could have made all the decisions inside the hospital? How can she's not even the next of kin?
Okay.
So how was she able to make all these decisions is the second question that she has raised. And the third is also about the will, Padmaja. The will of Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha is still not out. We still don't know if there is an actual proper will.
Okay.
So these are the three questions that Shashikala Pushpa has been raising, and she's moved the High Court for the same. And it is seen that there are people in the party as well as in the grassroots level party cadres who are against Shashikala's appointment as the General Secretary. So there are a lot of opposition that are going on here, but it needs to be wait and see what the Madras High Court will decide on it, Padmaja.
And the issue, of course, is now in court. Thanks very much, Akshaya, for joining us. Staying with news from Chennai, DMK Supremo M. Karunanidhi was rushed to the Kaveri Hospital late Thursday night following complaints of breathing problem and lung infection. According to DMK sources, the chief of the DMK is suffering from a urinary infection and has undergone a tracheostomy, a process where an incision is made in the windpipe to relieve obstruction to breathing. This is the second time that the DMK chief has been admitted to hospital in a fortnight. As Karunanidhi remains out of action, a generation shift is likely to take place within the party. It is learned that DMK leader M.K. Stalin is set to become the party president. He's been the man who's the face of the party during elections. However, Karunanidhi's hospitalization has again raised concern for the people of Tamil Nadu.
He's under treatment, and I think there's nothing to worry about, and he'll be all right soon, and I think he'll be discharged in the near future. I've been told that he is suffering from severe cold. That's why he got admitted last night, and today he is improving.